ഇൻഡെക്സ് 2025 വിമൻ ഓൺടർപ്രന്യോർ നെറ്റ്വർക്ക് എന്ന് പറയുന്ന ഒരു വലിയ പവിലിയൻ ഉണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ കുറേ ബിസിനസ് വിമൻ ഒരുമിച്ച് ചേർന്നിട്ടുള്ള ഒരു കൂട്ടായ്മ. ഇറ്റ്സ് എ കമ്മ്യൂണിറ്റി ഓഫ് ഓൾ ദ ബിസിനസ് women. So let's know about Ven and of course about their individual business as well. Hello, welcome to Index 2025. First of all, please tell us about Ven. It's a great concept, great community. So please tell us about Ven.
Sure. Primarily, we would like to thank NIDCS for giving us the opportunity, for making us a part of it. We are really thrilled and excited. So talking about Ven, this actually been started by Sheila Kochause and Pushpi. I don't want to mention all the names, but these are the main instrumental people who have been there. 2017 ഈ ഒരു ആശയം ഉദിക്കുന്നത്. That is how it started. So bringing all the women entrepreneurs together, because in Cochin, even though there are so many communities where men has been given an opportunity, but only women that elite group was not there. So that is how it started. But within days, from 2, it grew to 100 people. So that is how, so when we stand today, like 2025, we are so proud to say that we have got around presence in 5 cities for that matter. Like we have Ven Cochin, we have Ven Trivandrum, we have Kottayam, we have Calicut, we have Trichur. So that is how we have expanded within this 2025 with more than 800 members. And what I would like to highlight is that actually ഇവിടെ നമ്മൾ ചെയ്യുന്നതെന്ന് പറഞ്ഞു കഴിഞ്ഞാൽ എല്ലാ ഓൺടർപ്രണേഴ്സിനും, like for example even a person who is selling an accessories till who is doing actually multi crores business ചെയ്യുന്നവരുണ്ട്. അപ്പോൾ നമ്മൾ എല്ലാവരും കൂടി ഒന്നിച്ചു കൊണ്ടുവരിക. So it is not only that we bring together, but we have lot of events that we do together. Like you might have heard about the Wenderland, which was actually a historic event that we have done recently. We had around 8,500 footfall. We had stalls, Ven members and others. We are giving chances to men also. It's not only women as such. We had events.
That is a real women empowerment.
Exactly, right? Absolutely. So previous year we have done a BISCON at Grand Hyatt. That was again a historic thing, milestone. So we have done Ven Carnival. So every year we do something to bring people together so they can also get something out of it. And we have got further plans. We do training, mentoring, so that they can scale their businesses too. So this is about Ven Asal. My name is Rakhi Vijay Nair.
Okay, and your business work?
I am into learning and development. So I run my own consultancy company called Vajra Learning Solutions. I'm a leadership coach actually. I do a lot of trainings as a team also for the corporate development.
Amazing. So as I said, they have their individual business as well. So let's know about them as well. So we'll start from here, please.
Hi, I'm Vandana. So I have a multi-brand store which is in 2 locations in Kerala. Primarily, I am a fashion designer from NIFT in Central St. Martin's in London. So when I came back to Cochin, I thought of a sustainable lifestyle store. So I do manufacturing also. Plus, I have complete manufacturing A to Z of fashion. And I have a multi-brand store which I procure other brands. So yeah, so that's...
Thank you so much, ma'am, please.
I'm Gigi. I'm the director of this company. It's a travel brand called as Joe Happy Joe. We are into customized tours. Like we do tours across the world. It is purely experiential tours that we conduct. So that is.
Thank you so much. So cute. And here?
Hello, my name is Anu. I'm a mental health professional.
Professional, which we need.
So I'm into the service industry. I'm into non-profit management as well. I have an NGO and a center that I manage. And so Ven is not just about business, it's about networking, sisterhood, collaboration. So it's like infotainment over here. We get enlightened every day about seeing the wonderful things that all women do in Ven, and it's really glad to be part of this platform, and this is a wonderful venue for us to be here, B2C, and that's all. Thank you. Looking
so
forward.
Much. And please.
Hi, my name is Dia and I run a small business called Little by Dia Mampalli. I make clothes for babies like 0 to 2 years of age. So it's like curated clothing, both outdoor and indoor clothing.
Thank you so much.
Why don't you highlight the stalls also?
Yeah, that we will do. Thank you so much, first of all, for being a part of Index 2025, and we really hope after this Index 2025 may more people, not just from Kerala or South India, from across the country and across the globe, connect with Ven. Thank you so much. That is our wishes to you, and we'll see you.
Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.